Good morning, everyone. My name is Intan Median from the Faculty of Economics, Universitas Tidar, Indonesia. Today, I'm going to present our research entitled Steering the Tides, Adaptive Governance in Socio-Economics and Ecological Transition from Farmland to Shrimp Ponds. In recent years, coastal regions, especially in developing countries, have experienced rapid land use changes. Globally, agricultural land decreased from 48.078 to 47.288 thousand square kilometers, according to the World Bank. In Kebumen, Central Java, we observed a significant shift from traditional farming to shrimp aquaculture. Farmers converted fertile cropland into shrimp ponds, expecting higher profits. However, this transformation triggered serious socio-economic and ecological problems, increased inequality, loss of livelihood, and environmental degradation. Our study builds up upon the Lewis dual sector theory, which explains structural shifts from agriculture to modern sectors, and the land rent theory, which highlights the economic incentives behind land conservation. The study aims to analyze adaptive governance strategies in managing transitions from farmland to shrimp ponds, identify how governance can reduce inequality and enhance resilience in coastal livelihoods, propose policy recommendations for sustainable coastal management. This study is grounded in three key concepts: adaptive governance by Folk et al. 2005, emphasizing flexibility and collaboration in environmental management; interactive governance by Koiman 2016, which stresses interactions between the state, market, and civil society; resilience theory by Biggs et al. 2012, focusing on how system absorbs shocks and reorganize after disturbances. We adopted an explanatory sequential mixed method design. First, a quantitative survey was conducted among 100 farmers using purpose and snowball sampling. This was followed by qualitative focus group discussion or FGD involving 7K informants, including farmers, village leaders, and community representatives. The study area covers 12 coastal villages in Kebumen Regency, where agricultural land conservation to shrimp ponds has been most intensive. The research revealed significant institutional weaknesses and governance gaps. 59% of respondents belong to only one or two farmers' organizations. 72% said that no formal agricultural regulations exist in their area. 62% reported limited collaboration among local actors. 58% stated that governance has not been able to mitigate the adverse impact of land conservation. From the FGD, several key themes emerged: livelihood disruption. Farmers experience declining crop yields, unemployment, and income instability due to soil salinity. Environment impact, pollution from shrimp ponds, and the loss of vegetation have worsened coastal erosion. Governance needs. Communities emphasize the urgent need for formal rules, clearer land use boundaries, and better coordination. Community response. Some villages have informal agreements with shrimp entrepreneurs, but these arrangements are still in effect and inconsistent. The results demonstrate that governance in Kebumen remains reactive rather than adaptive. Institutional overlaps, weak regulations, and low participant undermine resilience. Adaptive co-management by Folk et al. 2005 offers a useful framework, encouraging collaboration between local communities, government, and non-government actors. Our findings are consistent with global studies, with NIAC 2014 in India shows how shrimp farming reshapes social ecological system. Hassan et al. 2023 in Bangladesh also reports similar livelihood in transitions. To conclude, the existing governance system in Kebumen is not yet capable of responding effectively to social, economic, and ecological transitions caused by land conservation. We recommend 1. Building adaptive institutions that involve community participation. 2. Developing formal regulation for sustainable coastal resource management. 3. Enhancing coordination between agricultural, aquaculture, and environmental sectors. This framework of adaptive governance can serve as a policy model for balancing economic development with ecological sustainability in coastal regions. In conclusion, adaptive governance is essential to ensure that the transformation of farmland into ponds supports not threatens sustainable and equitable livelihoods. Thank you for your kind attention. We gratefully acknowledge Universitas Tidar for supporting this research project.